got experience in this. Yeah. Wow, it's all the way down, Terry. All the way down. Put this on Facebook, huh? Look at this asshole. Got no damn respect, man. See how the guy's got that wake running in front of him right there?
Uh-huh.
As long as you got a wake like that in front of you, you won't float out. See, like this guy in this Chevrolet here? Yeah. Asshole. He needs to run off the ditch and drown out like that other one back there, you know? I got a Chevrolet coming up behind me. He thinks he's King Kong. Yeah. Man, I've been in Baytown a long time. I've never seen it like this here.
It's all this new construction.
Yeah.
And nowhere for the water to drain.
Fix to get out of this here.